Hey guys, today we have a simple job to do. We need to replace the battery in this Webasto remote control. It's for Audi cars and the battery is almost completely dead. We just have a short green flash over here sometimes and that's pretty much it. The remote is not working, so the battery, when I'm trying to measure it, this is how to remove it. You just need to slide the flap this way, the cover this way, and it will go out. You need to remove the keyring first if it's in your way. And the battery, if I try to measure it, will show us some voltage, 3.18. It's slowly getting higher because the battery is completely dead and it was drained by the touch of the button that I just did over here, and it will go up to 3.3. So don't get fooled with a 3.3 readout. It's a dead battery. And here we have a new one. The size is 2430, and this means that it's as wide as 24 millimeters and as thick as 3.0 millimeter. Okay, so that's the 2430. Positive side up, place it here, close the cover, insert your keyring if you have one, and right now we have a solid green and flashing red because there's no communication with the car, and same over here, solid red and flashing red because there's no communication with the car. And when the car arrives, I will check it, of course, if it works and if it needs some programming, because I believe this is a spare remote which was not used with the car yet, so we need some pairing to do. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if it was helpful and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.